I'm here with Happily Hooked. So today we are going to be reviewing flat crochet hooks. I know, I've never heard of these before, and I saw somebody post about them. It was either in a YouTube video or on Instagram or something, and they said something about flat crochet hooks, and I was like, I have to get one of these. So I got one, and it's super cute, but it's flat. It's the neatest thing I've ever seen, and these are handmade, so I'm really excited to test this out. This is a G hook, so I'm going to grab some yarn and I'm gonna see how they work. I've never used anything like this before, but like look at how it like curves. So I'm gonna see how it works using a knife hold and then using a pencil hold, because it seems like it'll be really cool. So I'm super excited about it. But yeah, so I'm gonna grab my yarn and my hook and let's get started. Hi friends, real quick, if you guys want to find out how to join the coolest crochet community on the internet, make sure you check out the link in the description below, and I cannot wait to see you in the community. Alright, so like I said, we are working with a flat crochet hook. So this is really, really cool. I'm gonna grab the information, the little paper that I got with it, so I can tell you guys a little bit more about it. So it is a flat crochet hook. It is a red oak handmade, and it is so cute. So this is a G hook, so this is like a 4.25 or a 4.5. But I love this. Like, look at how, I don't know if it'll focus. Look at how pretty. Like, you can tell that this was handmade. Like, it's not perfect, but I don't think it's supposed to be. I think it gives it more, like, more character. Like, this part is great. Like, it seems very smooth. It's sealed, so I don't think it would like fall apart or anything like that, but there we go. I'm obsessed with this hook already, and I haven't even used it yet. So we're just using some knit picks. It's a worsted weight, but we've already reviewed this yarn before and we know that it's not a worsted weight. And this is Knit Picks or We Crochet, and this is their comfy cotton, their cotton blend. So we're gonna use this today. And I'm gonna test this out using a knife hold and then also using a pencil hold, because I want to see how comfortable it is for both. So I primarily crochet with a knife hold. So we're gonna move this out of the way so it stops trying to focus on it. But yeah, so we will, oh yeah, this is nice. It's so lightweight. Like, I always worry that wooden crochet hooks can be heavy depending on the type of wood that's used. I have a couple that are a bit heavier, like this one that I've done a review on before. This one is kind of heavy for what it is. This one is a little bit lighter, and then this is incredibly light. So I feel like I could crochet with this for a really long time, but the yarn isn't sticking to it. This is really, really nice. We'll see how it looks when I finish. But, I mean, so far, I'm loving this. And I'm normally not, I don't normally crochet with anything smaller than a 5mm hook, to be honest. But they were sold out of all the other sizes, so that's why I got this one. Alright, so this is it with the knife hold. I love this. It feels so good. So let's switch it. Oh, that's, I normally don't pencil hold because the hook is straight. So when you hold like a regular crochet hook, it doesn't have that curve for your hand. So I don't hold them like a pencil because it like bothers my hand. But this one has that like little bump for your hand. So let's, as you can tell, I normally don't crochet in a pencil hold. I only crochet pencil if my hands are cramping. So I'm not quite as smooth with a pencil hold as I am with a knife hold. but this feels really nice. I don't know if I would forever crochet with flat crochet hooks because I do kind of like to have a little bit of weight behind my stitches and behind my hook. But this would be a great option if like your hands were really sore or your wrists hurt or you just wanted to get a little bit of work done but you also didn't want to have to deal with the weight in your hands. But I love how this like curves to my hand in my pencil hold, so it just like fits in the palm of my hand. So nice. Yeah, this is interesting. Like I said, I don't know if I would have like a whole set of them, but I do really like this crochet hook. Like, I like how flat it is. I like how pretty it is. And I like how it works in my hand. But yeah, so if you have any questions about these, just leave those in the comments below. If there's another type of hook you'd like me to review, let me know and I can go order that. This was a lot of fun. This is a really neat crochet hook. So I really like it. And I hope you guys did too. So I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.